Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Kikuk Tech. Today, I've got something exciting for all jailbreak lovers, Jailbreak Tweak Master. This tool allows you to install jailbreak-related tweaks, shortcut tweaks, and system utilities effortlessly. But that's not all. Pro-signed users can install any IPA file without the annoying 7-day app revokes. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Kikuk Tech, and hit the bell icon for more jailbreak and iOS-related updates. Now let's get started. So, what makes Jailbreak Tweak Master so special? Install unlimited jailbreak tweaks and system utilities. No jailbreak required. Works on both jailbroken and non-jailbroken devices. Pro-signed users can install IPA files without the 7-day revokes. Supports multiple iOS versions from iOS 14 to iOS 18.4 Beta 4. Works on almost every iPhone model, including the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max. Sounds amazing, right? But is your device compatible? Let's check. Jailbreak Tweak Master works on a huge list of iOS versions including iOS 18, 18.4 Beta 4, iOS, 17, 7.7.2, and iOS 16, 16.7 to 10, iOS 15 to 14.81. Compatible devices: iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, XS, XR, X8, 7, SE, 6S, and even iPhone 5. Now let's see how you can download and install Jailbreak Tweak Master on your device. Alright, let's walk through the installation process step by step. Step 1. Click the download link in the description. Step 2. The tool will be downloaded to your iPhone, iPad settings. Step 3. Go to Settings, VPN, and Device Management. Step 4. Tap on Jailbreak Tweak Master and enter your passcode. Step 5. Within a few seconds, the installation will be complete. Where to find it? Go to your home screen or search Jailbreak Tweak Master in the app library. And that's it. Now you can install unlimited tweaks, apps, and utilities on your device. If you ever want to remove Jailbreak Tweak Master, just follow these steps. Step 1. Open Settings General, VPN, and Device Management. Step 2. Find the Jailbreak Tweak Master profile and tap on it. Step 3. Tap Remove Profile. Step 4. Enter your device passcode to confirm removal. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kikuk Tech for more jailbreak content. See you in the next one.